totally forgot about doing an intro for this video. So hi guys, this is Olivia Guyan. Welcome back to my channel. You miss me? I know you do. But today we are going to be doing maintenance prep for my vacation that's coming up literally in 2 days. I'm gonna go from looking busted to bad. So yeah, let's get into this vlog because girl, I've been feeding for this maintenance day. I just dropped my car off, so I decided to come to Walmart and get some traveling products because we need like toothpaste, mouthwash, all that good stuff. So that's what I'm about to get. Definitely need one of these. This is the only toothpaste I use. This or like the extra white one. Actually, I'll probably get this one. The fact that this is freaking $3 is insane. This is literally my favorite Old Spice Fiji. My husband put me onto this and I'm literally so obsessed. I'll need one of these and some Dove Sensitive. You could never make me hate Dove. You could never make me hate Dove, especially as a sensitive skin girly. I need that. Now I need to get a new toothbrush. I don't know about y'all, but every time I go on vacation, I have to get a new toothbrush. Let's go with orange. This is all I got so far, and I think that's all I need. I actually forgot to get the body Vaseline or Equate one so that my body can be shiny on vacation. Let me look for it. Also, girl, look what I found. I've been wanting this, and it's $16.97 over here at Walmart. The one I found on Amazon was really, really expensive, girl. It was like $22, but I might get this. Oh, I'm always buying natural hair products just not to use them. So you know what? I'm gonna use the ones I got at home. But look at all these natural hair products. I don't even know what brand this is. Intense. They look like a new brand in Walmart. Am I the only person that get excited about stuff like this? I'm at a smaller Walmart and I cannot find the Equate one. I'm gonna just go with this. I'm on the way to go get these dogs done. My toes are in desperate need of a pedicure. They look a hot mess. And I look crazy. But today we're gonna do toes, we're gonna do brows, and we're going to do hands. I can't wait to get my hair done, and I can't believe we are officially like 3 days away from our trip. We're 3 days away from our trip, yo. That's so crazy. We have been talking about this trip since January. I'm so ready to go harass my cousins. I gotta harass them, yes. Now this is my first time at this nail salon. It's really popular in Texas. There's one in Houston, there's one in Dallas as well. I'm finna go check it out. They look like they do a really good job. I still haven't found like my go-to nail salon or my go-to nail tech. There's so many options in Texas. When they say everything's bigger in Texas, they was not lying. The options is unlimited. Like there's like 20 nail techs I could go to. 20 nail salons I could go to. I love it here, man. I love it. I just pulled up to the nail salon. We'll be going to Milano Nail and Spa. This is so nice. This is gorgeous. My toes look so stinking cute. That's my spot. She polished my toes so perfectly. Even the shaping, she shaped it so well. She shaped it so well. Normally, they be trying to give me circle toes, bro. Make my toenail round. Like, bro, my toenail don't even grow round. She shaped it so nice. Even after she polished it, she shaped it again. I could just relax. Like, you know what you're doing, and I trust you. I got the basic pedicure, but I seen girlies, they pulled out steamers for the girls. They had these like portable steamers. They had all types of tips and tricks. I was like, oh, okay. Oh, another thing, like nobody was waiting. Like, if you were getting both, you had one person working your hands while another person working your pedicure. I was like, oh. I love this place. I live in the right place. It's just a reminder that I live in the right place. I'm talking too much. I'm about to go get my pedicure. I'm about to go get my brows done because these brows, I'm tired with them. I've been really itching to go and like clean them up with a razor, but when I do that and then I want to go get threading, they will give me pencil brows. So I always, like a month, maybe a month and a half before
trip or I know I'm finna do maintenance, I let my brows grow out. Although I have found my brow lady and she does a phenomenal job on my brows, when you do that, I don't know, I think they just be like, okay, she want them smaller, even though I say clean up. And they just give me like pencil, like I just drew my eyebrows on. And no, girl, I don't want that. I don't like that. So done, let's go get our brows done, period. I'm sorry guys, y'all just gonna have to deal with this vent because it's hot as heck in Texas and I can't be in my car with no AC. I'm literally gonna pass out. But yeah, I'm not over that nail salon. I've been to a lot of nail salons. A lot of them will slap that luxury on it, or they'll slap a high price and you be thinking like the service is gonna be great quality, but it don't be giving quality service. Go to a place where they're actually affordable. I would consider them affordable, and they give me a luxury experience. It's like, yes, this is what I need. I'm cool with paying the price if the service match, but the service never freaking match. They put a chandelier in there now. It's $100 for a pedicure. When did that? How? They give you a water bottle now. It's $120. I will be back. I'm finna tell everybody this about this place. She massaged my feet for maybe like 15-20 minutes, bro. She was just massaging my feet. If you know, you know. I've been to service providers that it's like they rush it or they just want to get you out their chair. I just got home. These are the brows she did. Child, I don't know what this is. And I ain't even saying nothing. I just paid my money and left. I was over it. Because what the heck? Anyway, I got my razor. I'm finna fix this. Then she gonna say something. Oh, one side is longer than the other. Yeah, you made it one size longer than the other. Anyway. It already looks so much better. I don't know what Shawty was doing. I mean, it was only $10. That's why I didn't complain too much. That's crazy. And I found me a new brow lady. Like I said, I love being in Texas. There's so many options. She will not be touching my eyebrows again. Literally, this is all I asked for. A nice, clean brow. Yes, yes. Mind you, the joint hurt like hell today. I don't know. I haven't got my brows started since like around Christmas time. So, bro, it hurt like hell. So I'm like twitching, a little bit twitching. I'm thinking she doing a phenomenal job if I'm in this much pain. I ain't never been in this much pain when I got my brows today. She was with nothing. Now the brows are done. The reason my hair looks so crazy is actually because I washed my hair yesterday. And I was too lazy to blow dry it, so I just put in these puffs on the bed. So this is freshly washed hair, no product, no oil, just thrown into this. So now I gotta re-wet it and actually blow dry it for my hair appointment. I keep calling it a hair appointment, but I mean it is a hair appointment with my sister. Did I book? No, I just told her she's doing my hair on Monday. Duh. That moment when you realize that you're slowly no longer looking like a bomb. Loves it. Nails appointment at 2 o'clock, but it's 30 minutes away. That's like 26, but I'm gonna leave at 1:30. So I'm probably gonna edit a little bit and like do stuff around the house a little bit to waste time. So I'll see you guys when I'm going to my nail appointment, or you guys will just see me there. I gotta leave in 19 minutes. Y'all think I can blow dry this hair real quick? It's washed. I just wet it a little bit. I was gonna put it back in the 2 puffs, but ew, here's mom. But I was like, maybe I can blow dry real quick. Okay, we're gonna try to do this in 15 minutes because we lost 4 by just trying to prep, going in my heat protectant. Actually, let me take off my ring. Oh, that is way too freaking much. There should be enough for this whole section. We got one side done. A few minutes to get this side done. Yeah, the way out my hair was in those 2 pumps. I know y'all thought I was bald headed, but I'm not. I have 2 minutes left. I just need to put some oil in my hair because it's not until Monday and I want my hair dry, especially my ends. This is my little favorite hat to wear. Girl. Okay. Period.
Hey guys, I'm so sorry. Hey, Ava.
Just got back in the house from getting my nails done. They're so stinking cute. She ate down on them. Like, look at them. Look at them. Look at the detail. Oh yeah, skin looks so good. Shape that face, girl. Shape that face. And burns. This is to help grow my edges. This is the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for high density. This is for my eczema, girl. This is the Alumna Common Restore Triple Oat Serum, and it really does calm down the eczema because I don't want my eczema flaring on vacation. It's not cute. It's just not. This is the skin after shaving and doing my skin prep. I play about skin prep because I need to be flawless on vacation. Just flawless. Yes.
Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, paid enough of petty dues.
I already wrapped my hair, but it's mad cute. And I'm about to do these lashes. I'm tired. Flight is in like an hour. We have to head to a flight in like an hour. And I'm exhausted. Been up since 5 a.m. this morning. Just completed my lashes. Hair dared. I just did these clusters using these lashes that I got from TikTok shop. I get all my clusters from TikTok shop. Eats down every time. And then everybody say this semi-permanent Ardell glue is so good. So we finna try it out. But these are the lashes. I'm finna show you guys my hair because I didn't show you guys my hair. She ate down even though I didn't see her vision. This is the hair.
nails, hair, lashes, everything's done. I look so good. In a couple hours, we'll be catching our flight. Not even a couple hours, in like a couple minutes. Child. I thought I was gonna sleep. It's not looking like it. I'm gonna fluff this up and stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys the hair. This is a half wig from Icy Hair. I love me some Icy Hair. She really ate. Oh, she gave me a heart. She did give me a heart. That's cute. I love having a sister that's a braider. And I love being African because I always know a braider. Period. But that's it for our maintenance day vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. My next video will be a travel vlog, so make sure y'all tune in, and let's see if y'all can guess where I'm going. Guess. I think y'all can get it. But yeah, I'm so ready for this vacation. I need it bad.